It's a trap.
Narcissism ça péché, narcissisme ça péché, narcissisme ça péché, narcissism ça péché.
Like I thought it's one of those vintage cams.
James Bond shit.
Give one a line, it's a screen and everything. Skip on.
Alright, cool, we good. Thank you.
Is that a record?
Set it up, thank you.
Mm.
Phones on silence.
Oh, okay.
Reporting live again.
Reporting live again. It's a boy holding it down city to city, titty to titty. And I'm with the one and only motherfucker himself in the flesh. Rapping taxi owning again. It's up sharing again. The legendary, the incomparable, the one and only motherfucker Skin D.
Showcase.
Again holding it down, yes.
Correct.
I just featured this nigga on some other shit. There's Opuma, know me this week.
ASAP.
You know, for the motherfuckers who don't know, you let them know who Skinny is, what he is, and where he's from. That's the right way.
You know what it is, bruh. Rapping taxi drivers, holding it down. Born and raised, Gamashu, Cricket Park. I'm out here, Montclair, man, doing my thing, rapping with the homies.
Shout out to Wonko mentioned the Montclair.
Showcase.
Some good memories. But Doc, let the people know when this rap shit really started, Doc. When you started taking as seriously as you're taking it right now.
Yeah. Probably 2 years ago, bro. 2 years ago. I wasn't really rapping for Abantu. I wasn't told that I'm a dope rapper until 2019, bro. Yeah. But it was never a matter of ukuthi olava bagcwala. It was a matter of ukuthi mina ngingafiki ngiyorepela abantu, yabo. I wanted to enhance my skills before ngiphumele ngaphandle, bro. So that was the whole objective for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
I remember the first time I saw you perform, I think it was on the show and tell shit.
Oh yeah.
I think it was the show and tell shit.
Could be, bro.
You were lit like hard. Like I first saw the visuals for iTunes as that's T-Bags shit.
Yeah.
So the visuals, oh fuck.
Sure, dang.
Oh fuck. Then I went to a Sapesha. I said, oh fuck.
Even more.
Come on, it's all over. Ain't fucking around, nigga. Yes, what the fuck, dog? Tell us how Sapesha came about. It's like, what was going on? Who's the crowd? Your passion there?
I think the word and the phrase had already been around, and then when I met up with Audio Sims, producer one, best producer in the country, you already know. Met up with Audio Sims and we linked up and we made dope music, and then we just made a song with the name Mr. Sapeshe, and then we had already heard about them. We ran with it and it just became this genre of dopeness. I can't even explain it no more. And people are catching on to it and back to the Sapeshe, but you know what it is, bro. So I'm just happy people like what we started, bro.
And the video, who did the fucking video, dog?
Tino, bro. Tino, bro. So the same person that I'm rapping with, Usmaki, everybody knows, came and he edited, he shot most of it, and then I shot on the Munyum cheat, they were using another nigga's equipment, But yeah, it's all Tino, my bro.
And the editing is exceptional, dog.
Yeah, it's too much. Shout out.
Exceptional, dog. Is it the same motherfucker who did the iShoe?
Same all that did iShoe.
Oh fuck, man. Oh fuck, I'm finding some fucking movie, dog.
Yeah.
Fez. I know, dog, you're making fucking waves, dog, during this fucking pandemic, Fez. So
bro.
all of us still getting it in, which is a beautiful thing, dog. And everybody was watching Durban like a motherfucker, Fez. From Uzagwe's shit, I'm gonna look down. I can't Fez and your boy Robin the floor, not doing that Jägermeister shit, no wobbling, I have no T-back, dog. Shit, dog. itheko bese hayibo dog vela sasengikhia last day dog mfethu
groundwork iya isileyiwe yabo abantu
Yeah,
the people coming up with coming in strong yabo.
and the
Yeah.
industry part of the thing is starting to come together properly,
Yeah,
dog. More and
yeah.
more. It's now about deeply rooted first. We upgrading the shit the right way.
Mm.
You know, got some James Bond fucking camera recording this shit, nigga. I want to do message,
Yeah,
dog.
yeah.
Someone
That's what it is, bro.
Someone get it. Shout out to all over SMBFS now. They were holding it down, dog. Shout out to everybody making moves, first in the city, dog. I was reporting live. Again, so boy, you're holding it down, city to city, city to city. Let the people know first say what's going on, like are you signed or somebody manager or somebody board. I say they know what's going on, dog. I'm like, see.
Thanks, you know what it is, bro.
Hey,
Push and get soggy push and get soggy, bro, and just get to the point where I am, bro. It's been me and my hustle, bro. Double Leon, nothing you've seen has been anything fabricated. No more going to your face. So this point in your face was kid in the panda work in your dog. Yeah,
It's up to share records, nigga. What's on your dog?
It's your case.
What's on your dog? Man, just say, dog, like, have you been working on a project or sitting, dog?
Sure. For me, really, because ngimushile grab of it, so I wasn't, to me, in that project wasn't a big thing in my mind. Yeah, but I'm really in the mindset of making a dope song and making dope songs for Abantu, bro. Yeah, and then like I got 3 upcoming singles, bro, that's gonna blow everyone's mind. And I just wanted to set myself up before I drop a project, bro. I don't want to be rushing into people listening to a full body of work. Guys,
And who have you been working with so far, dog? Is it just Audio Sims?
In terms of production, or I've been working with Audio Sims mostly. That's we get along well, so we're connected when it comes to the music thing. I've also been working with P-Sign. He's a dope producer out there as well. P-Sign, he's been working with a couple of rappers in the city. I met him through Breeze.
Shout out to your boy Breeze holding it down.
Yeah, shout out to Breeze. So P-Sign is another dope producer out here in the city, but I mostly work with Audio Sims. Yeah, and then rappers all done.
Most funny them check, right? Most funny the gata look shit.
The black James Bond.
Pose look shit.
Showcase, Gagin, Sophie Gagin.
What's up, what I talk about? Yeah, I'm doing a video for this shit soon, dog. I want to drop a project hella soon, dog. And I want to fuck with niggas properly, dog. P-Dog's about to drop. I just dropped Black Dog EP. Now part 3 of that shit. Also Celeste dropped. Loki's killing him with the singles. It's a beautiful situation.
Showcase.
Going on the same Robin just dropped. A whole lot of dope shit going on.
It's good to be a come up nigga from SA Win right now, you know.
But you know what, dog? Right now, the lines are so blurred between come up and made it. Like,
yeah.
Because even the OGs are fucking with Intwana heavily.
Yeah, that's true.
But about which is T, dog, it's properly, dog. It's go properly and thoroughly.
Yeah. Because the level, if we're turning testimonials, so we gotta do it better than the people who did it before us, bro. We can't do the same thing. Many evolve and that's what we're doing.
Bring it back to the streets.
Yeah, go balegi foot naked to look back and try and make it better. Not take a span and then you carry on with your own thing. But you know the story. Yeah, that's what it is.
And it's a beautiful time to be in Durban right now, dog.
Yeah, showcase, bro.
I ain't even fucking lie.
Showcase, man.
And you, dog, lies into Zoom, my sugar, so hold me down. Shout out to Bonko Meshet. We appreciate it, nigga. God get it, dog. Let us know how the relationship with you and Nutan started out, bro. Because, like, it was like really you two, like going in, dog. Like how was that relationship like?
That's what Tandon was kindling king, you know what it is. Yeah, bro. So yeah, this whole time it was but then we started rapping after his and then Sislanga, and it was like so I rapper now, yeah, now studio, and then he pulled through. Then he met Audio Sims, and then it was just a whole big thing. And that's what it is right now. It's really now we the next thing that's gonna pop now. So it's God's work and hustle, bro. Yeah, double up.
I feel like the streets is ready for that project, though, bro.
The streets being ready for someone like me to come through, bro.
Yeah, well, Feds, the game was open, bro. Niggas are fucking with you, dog. It's good energy, the right way.
Feds,
Whoa.
showcase.
Mm. This weed is doing the right thing.
Yeah.
Reporting live cracking. It's your boy MJ holding it down at the Carlton Care Entertainment Studios. Dog,
It's cool, fella. Listen,
Simnandin. Bro, I wanna fucking do a movie, bro. Fuck this shit. Do a fucking movie, dog. Fuck this shit. It's all over, dog, for real. I got some paid and full shit, yo. Oh, no, fine. We gonna get those actors that will last like a corner script rise. Dog, what in all over. Dog. And you know, I'm finessing. Not necessarily the connects, but the people that I need who could actually produce this thing and make it crack.
Yeah, in between.
Yeah, let's just say, do you ready to get your Denzel on, nigga? You ready to get your Brad Pitt on, nigga? Are you ready? Are you ready for that Denzel Charmington role, nigga? No, because I've been chopping it up with the gang, dog, and just studying how the gangster move, dog. I'm like, hey, that's fucking legendary, bro.
Yeah.
And we need to do that shit again, but on a corporate level as well. Any movie, dog, is the best situation where we can sell everything. From the music to the clothes to the shows to the hoes. We gonna be getting it in, dog. We're gonna chop it up. Imagine it's in the taxi, dog. Don't say skin, they see you. Could some kidnapper. Some kidnapper taking quite down.
Showcase,
so shot, dog. But so you know. Hey, dog, project the project. At the same time, merchandise as well, bruh.
Yeah.
Have you thought that far?
I've thought that far, bro. I've been wearing my own Esapesha shit. I'm new to the merch shit as well. I don't want to be selling Indes or Shishi Poop or whatever. Now I want to be rock. So you can get what, like 4 songs out, bro. I've got 2 singles, bro. Like, who mean it's like in Wixen, it sounds like as much as all of them feel like Sega Kitchen, nigga trying to get his feet words of it. It's figuring this cut of it.
You have everything you need to make that crack.
That's it's only match about to be about relax and put your bone jumping shout condale and I've been back on condale with some pressure.
That's why they took out. It's your boy Che holding it down, nigga. Shout out to T Blue, shout out to Bonko Mission, shout out to Bonko my ex. We in this motherfucker balls deep. Let the people know, first of all, where they can find you, dog. I'm online. First go Instagram, dog. Twitter, Facebook, what's going
Skindi ND on all platforms. It's Skindi ND so you can catch me on Facebook. That's where all the action is on Skindi Noble and to make sure we can catch and again
on Instagram, Skindi
underscore ND everywhere, bro.
Where can the people find these videos, dog?
These videos on YouTube, bro. Nakona for to Skindi ND YouTube. In fact, ungene page in Dami. Got some videos for you, got content there, bro. You can check the whole shebang there.
Hey, true. Oh, fuck. So, what's the latest single that you're pushing now? Is it still Esapesha?
We did this is Esapesha and Namachita, but right now I'm finna dropping cover on the phone. People been waiting on that.
He got me on the phone. Oh shit, nigga.
Next time, sing cover on the phone. That's the new shit. That's
on the phone, nigga. I can't wait to hear this shit. That's why I keep on going to shot.
When you come before episode, she's like, hello,
I need to hear that exclusive shit. Okay,
showcase.
Got that friends here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls worldwide. It's your boy MJ holding it down, reporting live again. Shout out to Deeply Rooted. Check out Bonk all over. First, Celestial Mike, Little Manzi, Loki, Blackie and I, P Dog working on some shit. How my couldn't masterpiece? I pick out AK just dropped. So all over putting in the work. Check out Youth Magazine. Silo first one give cover guy. Fan to recover.
Di.
Bank face. You won't give me. Friend me happy you know me out. That's the point. Holding it down again first. Much.
Correct.